Dapat daw, laging handa ang pangalawang Pangulo ng bansa sa posibilidad na humalili sa Pangulo anumang oras. Ayon kay Office of the Vice President Spokesperson Attorney Ruth Castelo, giit niya ang mga programang pinatutupad ni Vice President Sara Duterte ay bahagi ng kanyang paghahanda sakaling merong mangyari. Si Jason Rubrico magbabalita.
Mahalagang hindi isantabi ang kahalagahan ng mandato ng Vice President dahil kapareho ito ng mandato ng Pangulo ng Bansa. Ayon kay Office of the Vice President Spokesperson, Attorney Ruth Castelo, dapat kilalanin ang tunay na mandato ng pangalawang Pangulo dahil katumbas ito ng tungkulin ng Pangulo base sa saligang batas.
The mandate of the Vice President is the same as the mandate of the President. Lahat po ng nakalagay sa Constitution na trabaho ng Presidente, ganun din po ang trabaho ng Vice President. She is technically the assistant, or when the President is absent, she takes over because she's the Vice President.
Binigyang diin din ni Castelo na hindi dapat ituring na spare tire lamang ang Vice President. Dapat aniya ay kasing handa siya ng Pangulo sakaling may mangyaring hindi inaasahan.
All of us here, I'm sure all of us, even outside this room, would think that the Vice President, not necessarily VP Sara, all the Vice Presidents, past, present, and future, are looked at as spare tire. But if you really think about it, the Vice President should be as prepared as the President. Should anything happen to him, who assumes the responsibility? It's the Vice President. We need a Vice President who is always ready to assume.
Giit niya, ang mga programang ipinatutupad ni Vice President Sara Duterte sa kasalukuyan ay bahagi ng paghahanda para sa mas mabigat na tungkulin kung kinakailangan.
And the services that are now being delivered by the Vice President through her office is a way of preparing herself just in case anything happens from now until 2028. Otherwise, it's just, it's all in a day's work. Our programs, our plans, our activities, funded or not by Congress, it's all in a day's work.
Dagdag pa ni Castelo, patuloy ang OVP sa pagtupad sa mga ipinangakong programa ni VP Sara mula noong 2022 at sisikaping may sakatuparan ang lahat ng ito sa pagtatapos ng kanyang termino. Para sa Diyos at sa Pilipinas kumahal, ako si Jason Rubrico, SM9 News.